If you're working a 9 to 5 role looking to generate an extra income through property, listen to this video. This video is for you. You might be in a situation where you're fed up of your income being kept, or you might be in a situation where you need extra cash to supplement your bills because you're just getting by each month, living on paycheck to paycheck. Or you might be looking to escape the 9 to 5 red race. Or you may want to start your own property journey to create financial freedom for you and your family. No matter what the reason is, you are in the right place. I'm about to share with you how you can secure your first Airbnb property in the next 30 days or you get your money back. You're probably thinking, that's crazy, impossible even. I don't have large sums of money to start or buy a property. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't need cash. You don't need large sums of money. That's not the business model I'm sharing with you. I'm talking about generating an extra income using a property you don't own, but you control the property. You will be operating the property as a serviced accommodation by agreeing a lease with the landlord. That way, you don't have to lay out large sums of money to achieve that. However, you need to understand the ins and outs of how this business model works. And this is what this video is about. I'm sure you're wondering, how is this guy qualified to share this advice with me? Hi, my name is Thabo. I'm an Airbnb superhost and your property coach. I'm the active operator and founder of Love Your Stays, which boasts a portfolio of 6 owned properties at a value of just under £2 million. We also lease properties from landlords using the model I've previously mentioned. So here are some of the examples of me collecting keys and refurbing these properties. Yeah, these are some of the examples of the properties, Airbnbs, which are owned. You can see them on various platforms, Airbnb, Booking.com, etc. And also some of these ones we rent out from landlords. I've always been looking for ways to escape the 9 to 5 red race. Property seemed like the most efficient way to build a life of time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom. My story isn't a story of hardship turned into victory. My story is an everyday tale of an ordinary man embracing extraordinary opportunities which the internet has provided to us. And now I'm giving you the opportunity to learn all the secrets of how I've done this and how you can do exactly the same thing using my 10-day Airbnb crash course. With this crash course, I will be by your side every step of the way to guide you. Before I get into all the details of how to sign up, I need to talk to you about why you haven't found the right vehicle for you to earn an extra income for yourself and for your family. Over the years, I've spoken to hundreds and hundreds of people who feel stuck in their 9 to 5 roles and are desperate to add additional income, but haven't found the right vehicle to make this happen. However, there are just 4 typical reasons for this, and I'll go through them with you. Reason number 1 is people have no idea where to start because there are so many online opportunities. They feel overwhelmed with this. Reason number 2, they don't know who to trust when it comes to online opportunities. It's either they've been banned before in the past or they're just reluctant to invest but still have a strong desire to make an extra income. Reason number 3, they believe to get into property, they need large sums of money. And to them, this is not a viable option. Reason number 4 is fear, which to me, fear stands for false evidence appearing real. Any of these sounds familiar to you? I've personally given many and many online opportunities a go. Hands down, the best model I've had success with is Airbnb. There is nothing like it in 2024. So give yourself a moment to think about the impact of securing your first property in the next 30 days. So it's time to allow yourself to think about how it will make you feel and how it will change your family and your life. So yeah, the group which I'm sharing with you is housed in a platform called School. The group is called Airbnb Mastery Blueprint. And you can see here, these are some of the members already in the group. So once you join the group, you will find 2 programs, 10-day Airbnb crash course and the 10-day Airbnb master blueprint. So this video is for the 10-day Airbnb crash course, which will equip you to secure your first Airbnb property in the next 30 days. The Airbnb master blueprint is by application and invite only. Unfortunately, you have to go through the 10-day Airbnb crash course for me to invite you into that group. So all the links are around this video for you to be added. So you can see here, so these are some of the snippets of the program, of what I share in the program. Is very detailed and I leave no stone unturned. So the benefits of putting into practice what you learn in the 10-day Airbnb crash course are: number one, you will secure your first Airbnb property in the next 30 days or less. You will get access to my step-by-step process that maps out exactly what you need to do and what you need to know for you to achieve those goals. So there is no guesswork involved. You also earn an extra 1,000 to 2,000 a month once you've secured your first Airbnb property. If you go through the training and implement everything I suggest and you don't secure your first property, I will refund you your money back. So there is no risk to you or whatsoever. If you've got this far, my friend, I assume you are interested. And now you've got two options. Forget about this video and go back to how life was before, or invest just £100 to learn what's taken me years to understand and begin your property journey to earning an extra monthly income for you and your family. Remember, I'm the living proof of what I share in this course. I've built a portfolio of 6 properties which are valued about £2 million, and I've also leased 6 properties from landlords. So if you're interested in the 10-day Airbnb crash course, pay your £100 and follow all the steps around this video. It's as simple as that, and I will see you on the inside. Thank you.